How to cancel e-transfer in Scotiabank. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application Scotiabank. Once you're in this page, you need to enter your login credential, as in, enter your username or your card number of your account. And then click on Continue. Now in this section, enter the password that you have created and then click on Continue. Once you have been logged into your account, it will land you on this home page. Now in this page, what you want to do is head over to Move Money at the bottom of the screen and then move into Interac e-transfer. It will land you on this page. Head over to Manage and then select the transfer that you want to cancel. Once you have selected, at the bottom of the screen, click on Cancel this transfer and then tap on Confirm. After that, your e-transfer will be cancelled successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.